What's going on, YouTube family? David here, back with another brand new cryptocurrency video today. If you're new to my channel, drop down, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications, like the video, do it so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. On this channel each week, I provide the best crypto reviews so you can fill your bags full of gains. If you want some free Bitcoin, make sure you check my links below, use them, and earn. It's that easy. Guys, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Let's get this video started.
Hey guys, so in today's video, we are going to be doing a technical analysis on Shiba Inu. We are going to be mentioning 6 things that are very important to pay attention to. I've been noticing them over the last couple of days. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the all-time high back on May 11th. And as we notice, guys, this is the one-day chart, and this is on Okex Exchange. They were listed back on May 8th. If you notice, that's as far as it goes back. Shiba Inu has been around for a lot longer than that, but this is the chart we're using today, the one-day Okex Exchange. So the first thing we're looking at is the all-time high, 3,800 back on May 11th, and since then it's literally just been plummeting back to earth. Everyone heard of VB, won't mention his name, how he sold half his stake or all of his stake to support the Indian Relief Fund. So you can see it really settled very nicely along this 6th line here, and literally for months it's just been a crapshoot. There's nothing been going on. They've been listing like crazy on exchanges, and really it's like throwing a pebble in the ocean. Nothing really happened. But wait, what do we have here? Back just a couple weeks ago, we're going to talk about number 2. Up over 400% in the last 2 weeks. Just huge explosion. Really wasn't even thinking this was going to happen yet. A lot of people thought it was just a dead dog, you know, and nothing was happening. But Old Faithful, everybody, all the holders that stayed faithful to the coin, you know, are being rewarded right now. Up 400% in the last 2 weeks. And you can see the next thing we're going to talk about is the October high. So if we scroll in right here, October 7th, we hit a high of about 3,500. All right, so the next thing we are going to talk about, we want to focus on, is the price target. And we're going to kind of talk about number 4 and number 5. Number 5 is the moving average, how they are closing in. You can see the blue moving average is the faster one, and then the orange is the slower one. The pink lines is what I drew on, kind of guiding you, kind of letting you know, hey, this is where it looks like it's going to head. And as this price moves into this little blob right here, that's my price forecast. I'm looking for us to stay in a nice tight trading range right around this area. We're just above this faster moving average. We're looking like we will eclipse and even break this high right here back on May 11th. I just don't see it taking off again anytime soon. And you see where the start of this is. This is where it looks like it's possibly could start. We could hit a high. We could break this high in a couple days. And then the end here would be closer to December. This vertical line right here, guys, this is December. I just don't see us shooting off to the moon. I really think this line right here, this 38, this will, once we break through this eventually and hold it, this will act as our new floor, which will then allow us to shoot up to much higher highs, and we will be out of this, I want to call it the death box, because we've been in it for so long. So we're looking for price action to hold in this little box here, this little blob. I'm thinking we'll definitely pierce this and break this resistance line. Even if we do, I think we will sell off and then we'll come back down to earth. These two moving averages, talking about number 5, need to come together. You can see that this faster moving average is going to start slowing down. That is the fast term momentum. This should start slowing down. The slower term momentum definitely will keep coming up. Eventually these two might even cross. They might get close to touching each other, but we need that to happen We need these two to consolidate before we actually shoot up to new highs. And if we look at number 6, this is the last thing I'm going to talk about in the video today, guys. Bearish divergent. So if you don't know anything about RSI, this is the graph here. The bearish divergence represents overbought conditions and oversold conditions. So right now, anything above this 70 line right here that turns into the white, that is considered an overbought mark, and a pullback is likely. So as you can see, that is not always the case, but what I think we're going to start seeing is we're going to start seeing this kind of wiggle its way back down. We might even come back down to the 50 line here. That's the neutral area. And as this kind of consolidates and gets healthier, and we might even see a floor right here, you're going to see this start coming down, coming down, coming down. We definitely need this to come back down to earth to get more buyers to come in and the crypto to get healthier. So guys, look over the next maybe 30 to 45 days. We should definitely see a pierce of this resistance line. But don't get too excited, guys. I just don't see this taking off anytime soon. I still think we're could be a couple weeks to 45 days out before we even think about blasting off to the moon. Guys, thanks so much. My name's David Berg, and I do videos like this all the time. If you love the video, like the video, subscribe. Let's get me over 1,000 subscribers. I'd really appreciate it. I will see you on the next video. Bye now.